Everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Steam account name. So first up here, open up your Steam account on your browser or your application. So here, as you can see, I have just opened my Steam app. And then here, click on your profile name right there at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And here, once you click on this profile name, as you can see some options. So basically, you just have to click on View My Profile. Once you click on View My Profile, then you will now go to this page. You will find here your current Steam name. Now here, go to Edit Profile button right from here. And here on the General section, as you can see, you will find your profile name, real name, and custom URL. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit my profile name here, for example. Once done, scroll down here and then click on this Save button. As you can see right here, my profile name has changed. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.